Welcome to HomePan Pro. Today we are taking a deep dive into the Drive Medical Decompressing Foam Mattress. If you or a loved one spend extended hours in bed, you already know that standard mattresses just do not cut it. They cause pressure points, discomfort, and overall fatigue. Today we are going to look closely at this active mattress replacement system to see if it delivers on its promise of superior comfort, support, and pressure relief. Let us start by breaking down the core features of this mattress. Measuring 80 inches in length, 36 inches in width, and 8 inches in height, this is designed to fit standard hospital beds as well as regular home beds. When you first unbox it, keep in mind that it needs between 24 to 72 hours to regain its full shape. If your room is warmer, the foam expands much faster, but colder temperatures might slow down the process a little bit. The main selling point here is the active decompressing foam system. It is engineered to provide targeted comfort and support by actively distributing weight and reducing pressure across the body. This is crucial for anyone prone to soreness or skin breakdown from prolonged immobility. Encasing the inner foam core is a specialized fire retardant barrier that meets strict safety regulations, giving you extra peace of mind for home care use. Practicality is just as important as comfort, and Drive Medical has thought through several everyday challenges. The mattress features a very convenient non-slip bottom paired with 4 sturdy corner straps. This ensures the mattress stays firmly locked in place, even when adjusting the head or foot of a hospital bed. Furthermore, lifting and positioning the mattress is surprisingly easy thanks to the 2 integrated side carry handles. Let us talk about the outer material because it plays a huge role in daily hygiene and durability. The mattress comes with a removable nylon stretch cover. This cover is fluid resistant, low shear, and vapor permeable. That is a technical way of saying it protects the underlying skin from friction and moisture while allowing heat to dissipate properly. It helps maintain a clean sleeping environment and protects the investment you are making in your health. With a solid weight capacity of 275 pounds and backing from a 1-year warranty by a trusted medical brand with over 20 years of experience, the build quality is clearly designed to last. Now, every product has its strong points and areas for improvement, so let us weigh the pros and cons starting with the pros. The decompressing foam offers exceptional pressure relief and comfort for bedridden patients or anyone needing extra support. The safety features, including the fire retardant barrier, add a high level of security. The non-slip bottom and corner straps prevent annoying shifting during bed adjustments. The fluid-resistant, vapor-permeable nylon cover is fantastic for skin protection and easy maintenance. The side carry handles make handling and setup much easier for caregivers. Finally, the reputable brand backing and 1-year warranty give you great purchasing confidence. On the con side, there are a few things to keep in mind. The initial expansion time can take up to 72 hours, which means you cannot use it immediately right out of the box. The 275-pound weight capacity, while suitable for many users, might be limiting for bariatric patients who require a higher weight threshold. Also, because it is an 8-inch thick medical foam mattress, standard home bed sheets might have a little bit of trouble fitting snugly without deep pockets. To conclude, the Drive Medical Decompressing Foam Mattress is a well-engineered solution for home healthcare and recovery. It balances medical-grade safety and skin protection with everyday convenience features like carry handles and a secure non-slip base. If you need reliable pressure relief, durable construction, and a mattress that stays securely in place on a hospital or standard bed, this is definitely a strong option to consider. Link in the description.